On today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Fridays, we're making sweet orange cocktails. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Now, if you've been watching, you know me, you know I like a drier cocktail. I like a nice martini or a Manhattan, something with a little oomph. But you know, we have a lot of friends who like sweet cocktails. So today we're going to go a little off book and we're going to make some sweet orange cocktails using orange soda of all things. So let's get started. This first cocktail we're going to make is very simple. It was made by our friend Rich. Now Rich does hair and makeup here at LCTV, and you can tell how hard my locks are to maintain. They're high maintenance. So he does all that for us and he helps out creatively. And he made this cocktail on one of our camping trips. And it's sweet, but it's delicious. It starts with whipped cream vodka. Now there's lots of brands of whipped cream vodka out there. This is the kind I like. We're going to take a nice glass full of ice. We're going to add 2 ounces or 60 mils of this whipped cream vodka right in. To that, we're going to add some orange soda. This is, again, the kind that we like. Use whatever kind you like. I love these little cans. They're perfect for just one drink like this. Right in. That's fun. I'm going to give it a little stir. We're going to garnish it with a little slice of orange. Now let's have a taste. Well, actually, Rich, would you come in and taste this?
Looks really good. Ooh.
Good? I did
It's
good.
Delicious. You did a great job.
A little too sweet for me. If you like it, then that's excellent. Now it's time to make our next cocktail. So this was inspired by Rich. He really inspired me to make something a little sweeter, a little more complex, a little out of my wheelhouse. So I'm making a drink called the Fandori. Let's get started. It's very simple. The ratios are pretty simple, and you'll see why when I tell you. We're going to start with a nice big glass. We need a big pint glass with plenty of ice in it because you want this one to be cold. We're starting out with some vodka. This is the kind I like. Again, use what you like. 1 part vodka, which is 1 ounce, 30 mils. Right in. Right in our glass. Our next ingredient is peach schnapps. This is the kind I like. This is what I can get. Use what you like, but it's the same amount. 1 ounce, 30 mils. So we've got a 1-to-1 ratio. Next ingredient, Midori or Melon liqueur. This is what I can get. Guess what? It's the same amount. 1 ounce, 30 mils. Neat color so far. Fresh lime juice is the key to this cocktail. I'm using the juice of half of a lime, which is about a half ounce or 15 mils, thereabouts. I can get my lime squeezer. Right in our glass. Lovely. Let's get rid of that. Now, the orange soda. So this is 5 ounces or so, about 150 mils. Right in the glass. I'm going to give it a stir. just to get that all combined. How fun. Now I'm going to garnish this with some fresh lime because it has that fresh lime juice in it. Okay, Rich, you can test this one too.
Looks really good. Ooh,
That's good, huh?
it's really good. It's very complex. It's orangey and I don't know. There's something about it that I just love.
Let me have a taste.
Oh, yes.
That's good. Sweeter than I normally do. But what Rich said is very complex. It's lots of layers of flavor. You get the melon, you get the peach, you get the orange, and it's just lovely. If you like this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every single week. We'll see you again on Tuesdays for our regular episodes and Fridays for either basic skills or cocktails. Now I'm going to go drink this, and while I'm doing that, I want you to watch some of these videos over here. Cheers!